To start up your own business today, you don't need a physical shop. All you need is just a domain name and hosting. With a domain name and hosting, you set up your own website and you will start selling. But the question is, what will you sell? So guys, please, all I demand from you guys is to actually share this video right now. And if you are on yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop a new video like this. With your website, you can start selling your own product. Or even though you don't have your own product, you can still sell on your website by selling people's products. And that takes me to number 2 question. Where can you get all these products? There is a website called ShareSell. ShareSell is an affiliate program that will enable you to sell people's products. There is a lot of companies under ShareSell that you can join and start selling their product on your website. Whenever you make a sale, they are going to give you a commission, depending on the commission that they want to pay you as an affiliate. And if you are interested in joining ShareSell, I leave a link on the description of this video below. Try to use the link and join ShareSell right now. Joining is 100% free.
Number 3 ways
in which you can get a product and start selling on your website is by joining Amazon Associates. Any kind of product that you want to sell, Amazon have it all. So you can join them and you start selling it on your website. With this, whenever you make a sale, they're going to pay you a commission. So guys, in case you don't know how to join Amazon Affiliate, that will be my next video. Please, if you are interested in knowing how to join Amazon Associates and start selling all these products on Amazon, just click on that follow button on my Facebook page and also click on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell on my YouTube. So I will be teaching you guys on how to join Amazon Associates.